Hello friends, welcome back. This is Manish Pandey. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to use each item in queue action, which is a part of walk queue VBO. Let me show you how to use that. So let me take this start here and we'll take one action stage, double click on that, select walk queue VBO and then we'll select each item in queue. Let me search here. So we have this each item in queue action, and this action, this each item in queue is used to check if given key exists in work queue or not. So it will give us a list of item ID and it will give us a boolean value like true or false, the result. If that specific the key exists in queue, so it will give us true. If not, it will give us false. We have few parameters we need to pass here. So in the queue name, we'll pass the queue names which is coming from this environment data item. Now in key we need to pass key name, we can pass from here. Let me go to control, click on this queue, and these are the key names. We have item key, so these are the key. So let's say you are going to search ABC-129. Is this item key available in this work queue or not? So you can check these things. Let me show you how to use that. So here in key, currently I am going to pass here hard coded value. So I will write here ABC-129. ABC-129. So we are going to see this key exists in queue or not. Now where do you want to check that? Do you want to check in pending items? Do you want to check in the deferred items? Do you want to check in the completed or terminated items? So if you want to check in all these, so you can put here true, that I want to check this item exists in pending, deferred, completed or terminated. So you can see here, now in the outputs we can store this in a result that will give us true or false. Now click OK and let me go here and let me link this here and link with one AND stage here. Now it will check this item key exists in queue or not. So here we can see this item exists in queue. We are getting true result here. Now let me just modify here and let me just put here 19, and we know that this ABC-19 does not exist in queue because we have all these item key that is starts from 1 2. Now click OK and then run this again, set next stage, and now we are getting false because this specific item key not exist in queue. So by this way you can check if a specific given item key present in queue or not. Now this one I have shown you using default value, hard coded value, but in the real time scenario you will just pass value which is coming from any data item. So how can we take that? So let's say while adding items to queue, you have one collection of data in Excel and you will read that data in a collection, and before adding items to queue you will check that these items available in queue or not. So how can we do that? So first we'll read Excel data. Let me show you here. So we have this Excel file and I want to add these items to queue, and we have these item keys because in the queue, if I'll go to this system tab and then click on work queue and then click on this queue, and you can see here my key name is order number, which is this one. So first I need to read this complete Excel file and then I can get all the order number as a key. So I will take here get collection, get Excel as a collection. So I have this page, I can just use same here, paste here, and in this page what we have done, we have used one action to create instance, and then we'll open that workbook, and then we'll read that Excel data and we'll store in the collection, and then we'll close the workbook. So these things we are doing here in this get Excel as a collection, and now we'll store this data in a order underscore collection. So we have this order underscore collection, this we are going to use. Now once we'll pass through this, we'll store all this data in the collection here, and then we need to check one by one. So how can we check one by one? So we need to take here one loop. So we have loop start and loop end, and we'll link here, and we'll take this thing here. Let me delete here from this, and we'll link here. Now click on this loop start and select order collection, which is this one, and double click on this. Now instead of passing hard coded value, we need to take it from our collection. Delete this, and now we have this collection, order collection, and it will just accept only text data type. So we'll take this order number, copy this, and collection dot order number. So we'll paste this. So in each loop it will take data from this one, it will consider as a key, and it will check here. Now in the output we have this result. So let me go here, and now we have result. So what we'll do, we'll take one decision stage, that is just to check that result is true or not. If result is true, it means data exists in that item key exists in queue. If no, that item doesn't exist in queue. Now double click on that, item exists, and we'll take here a result. If result equals to true, if true, yes, so we'll just go to this loop end and check other items. Now if no, then we'll just take one note, and we can say item is unique. It means this item is not exist. So whatever you want to do, you can add these data to a different collection, and then you can add those data only to queue, like that. Now link this. If that item doesn't exist, it will go here, and then it will go to loop end, and then it will complete this. So right click, set next stage, run this. So it will read this data, Excel data, store to the collection, and then it will loop through one by one. So it will check the first item is available in queue or not. So yes, this is available because we are getting true. So the first item, that is the item key is 122, and we can check here from queue 122. So this item available in queue. You can see this item available here also, and this one also. So this item available in queue. Now you can loop through one by one, and you can see here this item available in queue. Now let's say I'm going to change here the other item. So let's say change few items just to show you how it's working. Now the 5 item that is not exist in queue, and the 5th number item is 1 2 3 4 5, the 1 2 abc-12 that doesn't exist in queue. So we are going through this, right? So this item not available, now this item available in queue. So by this way we can check if that a specific given item key exists in queue or not. So I hope this is useful. If so, please like this video, and please subscribe this channel if you are new to this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to learn UiPath RPA, then you can visit my YouTube channel, youtube.com/UiPathRPA. If you want to learn Blue Prism from Udemy, so I have created one course for Blue Prism RPA complete course on Udemy. So you can go there and you can purchase that course, and you can get the certificate from there. I will enter the referral code and the link in the video description. You can go through that. I hope you will like that one. Thank you so much for watching this video.